Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your name on Nintendo. So let's say if you open a Nintendo account, you've put in all the information but now you want to change the name. How do you do it? It's quite simple. First, log in or sign into your Nintendo account with your credentials, and then from the home menu here, next thing you do is you click on user information, and then you see profile here, you click on edit, and now you can change the name, the nickname you're using. You change it, and then gender, if you like, you can also update on this. And once you're through, you click on save changes. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change name or username or nickname, any of the three you want to call it, in Nintendo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.